wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
What is your name?
My name is Maimuna Islam and his name?
My name is Tanha Islam. Where are you from? How are you, my dear friends?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine, and you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Allah.
Where are you from?
I am from Dhaka. And you from?
I am from Dhaka.
Oh, are you student?
Yes, I am a student.
Where are you reading?
I reading madrasa.
You reading madrasa?
Yes, I reading madrasa.
What's your madrasa's name?
My madrasa's name is Hajat Aisha Siddiqa Radhiyallahu ta'ala anha Mohila Madrasa.
What's your madrasa's principal's name?
Our madrasa's principal's name is Hafiz Maulana Nazrul Islam Sahib.
What class do you read in?
I reading class 3.
How many students study here?
100 students study here.
How many teachers teach you?
10 teacher teach us. They are also good teachers.
What do you reading?
I reading Quran, Hadith, Dua Masala, Urdu, Arabic, Bengali, English, mathematics, etc.
Oh, very nice. I love my madrasa very